Umitirang bah kajala Meghalaya Conrad ke sangmau loong bah katayo kabanwan ka kanhun ke mali ha ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA kinsyong ka jingïalang banchim ya karai ban kyrshan ya ka Draupadi marmu ka riulom na Odisha kabala penyeng da ka National Democratic Alliance ban yakhun ya election president kari India. Uloong baula depkran ya ke mali ha ka alliance halo ka jinglai chungu ban trowai ka kerteng ka marmu na ka banta ka election jit president.
We have not decided yet, but it will be done soon. But before I went for the putting my name as one of the proposals, which was requested and asked by the leaders of the MDA and the BJP, that they would want me also to sign and be present in the nomination. I had spoken to almost all the coalition partners, and I have requested them. I have told them that I'm going on behalf of the NPP and as president of the NPP to sign. But I do hope that the support of your party will also be there, and in the appropriate time I will call a meeting. So I had briefed them. I briefed, of course, NPP. I had briefed all the leaders about my visit and the support that we will give. So at the appropriate time, maybe within a week's time or so, we'll be calling a meeting of the MDA to discuss on the presidential.